NameDrop is a feature introduced in iOS 17 which could be used to share your contact details by bringing two iPhones closer. But some law enforcement agencies have told people that do not use it because it raises some security concerns and could be exploited by criminals and stalkers to get your personal information. So in today's video, we're gonna find out if all this is a hoax or it makes any sense. Hi geeks, this is Samir. You guys are watching iGeeksblog, and without wasting any time, let's start today's video. Okay, so let's start with what is NameDrop and how it actually works. So NameDrop utilizes NFC, that is near field communication, to transfer your contact detail from one iPhone to another by bringing those devices closer. NFC requires very short distance, usually in centimeters, to make sure that your data transfer is complete or successful. Now let's see how to use this feature and how to turn it on. First and foremost thing which you have to do is update both your iPhones to iOS 17, as iOS 17 brings this feature natively. Once you have updated your iPhone, next thing you have to do is go to settings, go into this general, tap on AirDrop, make sure you enable bringing devices together. Once you have enabled this feature, all you have to do is just bring two iPhones nearby and automatically your NameDrop will get activated. Okay, now you have successfully turned on NameDrop feature. Now the question arises, what kind of information, what level of information is going to be shared with another iPhone? So once you have made your contact card, by going into the Contacts app, tapping on your contact profile and creating your own contact card according to yourself, all the information you put in it, that could be your numbers, email IDs, addresses and whatnot else, all these details will gonna be shared with your contact card using NameDrop feature. Now let's talk about what kind of warning is given by US federal agencies to the parents by sharing a post on Facebook. In that post, US federal agency says that NameDrop is a feature which could be exploited by the criminals and stalkers to get your personal information without your consent. They also advise parents to turn this feature off in their kids' iPhone because this feature could also lead to a misfortunate happening. However, all these warnings are based on misunderstanding of how actually NameDrop feature works and exaggerate the potential risk of using it. But here are 3 points why I think this is all a big hoax. First and foremost, and that is NameDrop is not a passive feature. What is passive feature, you ask me? Passive feature is something which gets triggered automatically in the background, but that's not how NameDrop actually works. You need to bring two iPhones together to activate this NameDrop feature, and it is required that you touch your iPhone and manually bring both the iPhones together. Without that, NameDrop feature won't work. Earlier in this video, I told you that NameDrop feature requires NFC to work, and NFC works in a very close proximity, because of which data transfer won't be completed and your contact details won't be shared to another iPhone. So it's obvious that a person sitting in the next room won't be able to get your contact details using NameDrop feature. Lastly, you can edit the information you want to share with another person using NameDrop. You can easily edit your contact card and fill in information you want to share and delete specific information that you don't want to share. For example, personal mobile number, email IDs and whatnot else. You can create and customize your contact card according to your preferences. Lastly, if you're still not satisfied with my argument that NameDrop is a safe feature, you can easily turn it off by going into the settings, tapping on General, selecting AirDrop, and make sure you turn off the toggle of bringing devices together. Once you have done it, no information will be shared using NFC or NameDrop feature. So here are my thoughts on this controversy happening in USA, that federal agencies are stopping people to use NameDrop feature, but in my opinion, it is just right to use it, nothing to be worried about. Do comment me and let me know what do you think about all this controversy happening in USA. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any amazing content like this. And one more thing, go to App Store, download iGB app and enjoy everything Apple content. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, tata, see ya, bye.